Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of naturally. Without any intervention or special assistance, naturally. For example, naturally curly hair. The second definition of naturally. As can be expected, of course. For example, naturally, I hoped for the best. American pronunciation. Naturally. Naturally. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Naturally. Say. Naturally. Naturally means, in natural manner. Naturally. Naturally. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Is your hair naturally curly, wavy, or straight? Now, repeat after me. Is your hair naturally curly, wavy, or straight? The second practice. Grow varieties that are naturally resistant to pest and disease. Now, repeat after me. Grow varieties that are naturally resistant to pest and disease.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.